Hi everyone, my name is Linda. Welcome to my channel called Linda Savings. In today's video, we'll be comparing Sam's Club versus Costco. Which one is the best? We'll actually be comparing both of these stores in a couple of different categories. We'll be considering things like membership prices, customer service, savings opportunities, and more. So make sure you guys stay until the end of this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's do this. And don't forget to take advantage of these offers. With Rakuten, you can get an additional $30 when you sign up and spend $30 or more using the referral link that is in the video description. You can also receive up to 20% cash back every time you shop at your favorite stores. Next, we have the Ibotta app where you can get cash back when doing your grocery shopping. You can also receive $10 when you sign up and upload your first receipt using the referral code that is on the screen. And in case you want to maximize your rewards, you can use a second app like Fetch Rewards to upload the same receipt you just used from the Ibotta app. Fetch is actually super easy to use as it will give you points just for uploading any type of receipt. You'll even get 2,000 points just for signing up with this referral code. So let's start off this video with the memberships. Let's go ahead and compare both of these for these two stores. So Costco on one side offers two personal membership tiers. They have the Everyday Value Gold Star membership, which pretty much they give you two membership cards for you and someone else in your household, for example, and you're paying about $60 a year for this type of membership. Then they also have the Executive membership that actually gives you 2% in annual cashback reward on purchases up to $1,000. And I think that's important to remember. Two membership cards and then Costco services discounts. That one's priced to about $120, in a year. Now Sam's Club, on the other hand, they also have two different memberships, right? They have the basic membership that's being sold at $45 in a year. And guys, sometimes things like Groupon, which is pretty much an app, sometimes they have really good sales going on when it comes to Sam's Club memberships. Sometimes they'll even offer like $30 in store credit just for buying a membership. So there's tons of different ways you can save for Sam's Club memberships, especially when it comes to the basic one. They also include complimentary memberships with someone in your household, which means you're paying for the price of one membership, you're getting two memberships. Then they also have the Plus membership, which you're paying $100 in a year, but this one gives you 2% cash back on qualifying purchases, and this one is only up to $500, where in comparison to Costco, you're getting up to $1,000 in cash back, or that's pretty much what you can get, right? You also get two membership cards and then additional benefits and discounts. Now, Sam's Club membership, of course, is $15 to $20 cheaper than Costco with similar benefits. So if price is your number one factor, then Sam's Club may be the best for you. However, I do think that there are other reasons why Costco may be worth the extra cost. And of course, that would be taken into consideration if you want to get the Executive membership or the Plus membership, since they both offer different cashback amounts. One of my favorite things about Sam's Club that Costco does not have, it's the scan and go. I mean, not only are you saving money, look at this. These Oreo ice cream bars sell for $10.88. With the scan and go, you're paying $9.38. So that's a really good savings opportunity. And if you use the app, pretty much once your debit card or credit card information is in there, it makes it super easy to literally scan and go. I love the feature on that for Sam's Club, and I give them 2 thumbs up for that. And you know, I initially thought that you would actually get cheaper prices at Sam's Club when it came to like frozen food items. I never quite paid attention to the pound section or how much you're getting really, you know, versus like, for example, Del Real Foods pork carnitas at Sam's Club versus Costco. But when I really paid attention to how many ounces I'm paying for, I did notice that Sam's Club's actually cheaper. For example, this one's selling for $15.98, but that's because it's only 32 ounces. Now, if we compare the same exact products, which is also pretty much at the Del Real Foods carnitas, which is slow cooked pork, you're seeing here that at Costco it's a 40-ounce package or 40 ounces worth of product, and you're paying $17.89. So you may think that you're paying more at Costco, but that's really not the case. It's just the fact that you're getting more product at Costco, you get less at Sam's Club, and the price reflects accordingly. And here we have another really good comparison. Let's take this salmon from Sam's Club. It is a 2.5-pound bag, and as you can see, it's selling for $23.98. I love salmon, one of my favorite things in the whole wide world. Now, Costco, on the other hand, they also have salmon. It's a 3-pound bag, and it's actually selling for $29.99. So you can see there that Costco's, yes, it's a little higher, but that's also because you're getting 0.5 pounds more through Costco than Sam's Club. So once again, guys, you want to be paying attention to things like how much it is in quantities that you're getting for the product that you're buying, and then obviously do some math if you're really trying to find out which store sells your product cheaper. And with today's technology, one of my favorite things to do, especially when I have access, to information like this, for example, right here through Costco, we're looking up cereal. I like to compare prices to my local grocery store, or even if I'm at Sam's Club, I kind of want to know what's the price here at Costco. However, here's one thing that I want to point out here. For Costco, for example, on these Kellogg's Frosted Flakes, you can see that the price I'm pretty much getting right here through the app, it's not very accurate as to what's in the store. So obviously these prices are meant more for online shoppers strictly. $10.59 for these Honey Nut Cheerios here through the app. That's the price it's showing. But let's compare it to what's here at the store. Here are the Honey Nut Cheerios, the exact same product, the exact same amount. And here at the store, it's $8.49. So the, not so good part about this is that you can't rely on the app information if you're trying to, compare prices. Let's take one more example. We have these Cheerios. There you can see the price, and here at the store, it's selling for $5.89. So in all the cereals pretty much that we've checked so far, there's always a price difference. And now let's go ahead and try the exact same method with the Sam's Club app. And I'll go ahead and type in right here cereal so I can show you guys some of the similar examples that I showed you guys through Costco. And so here we have found the Honey Nut Cheerios once again, 24 ounces. It's a 2-pack pretty much, so $7.58. And let's look at this price. It's pretty much the exact same thing that you find on the app, and that couldn't make me happier. Like I said, I love to compare prices. I like to know where it is I'm buying, how much it is I'm paying, and an app like this makes it so convenient. Let's take a look here at these Lucky Charms, for example, $7.62 for those. And I think my Lucky Charms are over here on this side. I will also mention that Sam's Club has even a little bit more variety in their cereals compared to Costco, which another plus for me. Look at this, $7.62 as well. The exact same price that you're going to find on the app, which I must say makes it very convenient. And now one of the really nice things about Sam's Club is that you can actually use your Walmart gift card to purchase at Sam's Club and vice versa. So if you have a Sam's Club gift card, you can use it at Walmart. If you have a Walmart gift card, you can use it at Sam's Club. It's not the same case with Costco. You just have a Costco shop card. You can only shop at the Costco Wholesale or Costco Business Center. So let me show you guys kind of how it works here. We have these Yoplait low-fat yogurts. They're so delicious. So I'm going to go ahead and pay with this card at checkout. Same thing you do, with the similar purchase. The only difference here is that you're using a Walmart gift card once again. So I'll go ahead and press finish and pay. Gives you a couple seconds there to process your scanning and totaling up your how much you're paying for. So there you see my total due. Once again, it's a Walmart gift card, and we pretty much just scan it. And it says payment processing, please wait. And before you know it, it's pretty much done. How would you like your receipt? I personally like to print it, but up to you. And there you have it, you guys. I went ahead and used a Walmart gift card to shop at Sam's Club. That makes it a plus for me. Now, both Costco and Sam's Club do have a gift card section. Sometimes they even have really good deals when it comes to these extreme value gift cards. For example, like this, you get Krispy Kreme donuts for $45 in value, and you're only paying $33.75. So both stores do have savings opportunities in that sense. However, I will mention that Sam's Club has a much bigger selection when it comes to gift cards. For example, California Pizza Kitchen here, you get two $25 gift cards, total value $50, and you're having some savings right there. This one is the extreme value for laundries, and you get to choose which restaurant you want to use them on. $100 value, you're paying $79.98. Now, both Sam's Club and Costco do have like AMC tickets, theme park tickets like Universal Studios, obviously depending on where you live. But I'm finding much more common stores, I would say, whether it's clothing, whether it's food, whether it's candies, whether it's spas, whether it's theme park tickets or movie tickets. I'm seeing a much bigger variety here at Sam's Club. So one of my places I usually come to whenever I want to buy a good amount of gift cards. And now moving on to the category of snacks. So here at Costco, you can find chips, you can find crackers, you can find nuts, right? All different kinds of snacks pretty much for you to enjoy throughout the day. They have organic products. They have like these chickpea puffs, for example. And they even have reduced fat chips as well. So they have a really nice section at Costco. However, guys, I will mention that at Sam's Club, the selection is huge. Even just when it comes to chips, you can find tons of different varieties. If you love Fun-Ins, for example, here's this really good example of the 50 count of bags. You have one for Lay's, you have one for Doritos, you can choose Ruffles, any chips that you want. I'm also finding some products here that I won't find at Costco. I know sometimes you can find veggie sticks, so that's not a shocking surprise. But for example, these ones right here, these totis, these are really good. They actually taste like kind of like, I don't know, like chicharrón kind of thing, but they're actually super tasty. These veggie puffs on this variety pack, you can't find those at Costco, for example. So just by walking through this aisle, you can see tons of different snack options that you won't find at your local Costco. And although you may find more variety of chips at Sam's Club, more variety of gift cards, one thing that I will mention here about Costco specifically is that you're going to find more organic products at Costco than Sam's Club. So let's walk here through Sam's Club. I'm walking through one of these aisles. I'm hoping to find some granola or some organic products. And see, I'm already walking through a good amount of this aisle, and I'm not seeing here anything organic. There's some Cocoa Puffs, of course, a bunch of cereals. Over here on this side, we have 100% pure organic honey. Okay, finally one product that is organic. There you have the regular honey next to that. You have some maple syrup, some pancakes. Let's keep on walking down and let's see if we can find, I don't know, let's say some organic granola. And you will find that these products that are organic, a little healthier options, they're usually towards the end of the aisles, or they're kind of hard to find, honestly. I really like this one. This is one of my favorite granolas. It's keto, it's cinnamon pecan. It tastes exactly like what it says, cinnamons and pecans. It's absolutely tasty. And they have different flavors, but as you can see, it's kind of mixed in here with the cereals. I know at Costco this wouldn't be the situation. And just to give you guys an example here, let's try to find granola or organic healthy options here at Costco. So for example, we already found one here right at the corner. It's organic. They have the Kodiak cakes, which are whole grain, another healthy option when it comes to pancakes. May not be organic though, so let's keep on looking. Here we have the granola section, and look at this, you guys. They have organic pumpkin seed and flax granola. Here's one product. It's from the Nature's Valley. It's actually really good. $8.99 for that one, by the way. They have this one as well, Catalina Crunch. It is keto, 11 grams of protein, another healthier option when it comes to granola. And then here is this one, the keto nut granola. It's just a different flavor from what you can find at Sam's Club, blueberry cinnamon. But see, just by walking through here and looking for granola options, we already found a couple of different options that are organic and probably healthier options. And here's one thing that I think Costco is right on point for. When they label their tags green, that pretty much lets us know that those products are organic. So we don't really have to walk around the whole store trying to find organic products. If that's something that you're personally shopping for, all you have to do is look for the color green and you'll be taken to organic products pretty much. So look at this, for example, right here. All I have to find is that green tag. This is organic guacamole, $9.99 for that one. The Hernandez one is actually really tasty. They have this almond dip as well, Chipotle, $8.69. It's also organic. Like I said, these organic products are so much easier to find here at Costco. And now this next point may just be my personal opinion or my personal experience, but I feel like it was something valid to mention here. I do find that with Sam's Club, I'm constantly somewhat finding boxes like this that are just kind of laying around the store. I think right now we're in the book section. So for example, this box has tons of books that would probably need to be stocked, which is understandable, you know, but sometimes it makes the store look a little unorganized. Now, I want to go ahead and compare this exact same section to Costco. So let's go ahead and see what was the experience there. And as you can see, pretty much everything here is organized. It's so organized, and I would even say sometimes it's even color-coded. They have tons of different books, and as you can see, there's no boxes laying around anywhere. They're actually really good about keeping the aisles clutter-free, which I think makes a world of difference. And moving on to customer service. You know, I do find that Costco has better customer service simply because they have more workers, usually in that, you know, membership services section, that are helping people purchase, purchase products, find products at different stores. They're helping with the returns, and the return policy is obviously very good. I've also heard it's actually really good at Sam's Club, but I personally haven't returned anything at Sam's Club yet. But you know, the other day I was at Sam's Club and I was just trying to find an instant savings book. As you guys know, I make videos pretty much about the deals that are going on, and I love to do that. So I was just asking for an instant savings book, and I had to wait quite a while. And obviously I'm not blaming the worker, but there was only one worker at the front on the membership services side, which obviously, once again, it's not their fault, but maybe hiring a little bit more people to help out in terms of customer service would make the experience of going through customer service a little more enjoyable. And of course, when it comes to savings opportunities, which is obviously very important for us to save some money on some of the products that we're interested in buying, Costco does have more savings opportunities because they have several savings events pretty much throughout the month, and that includes the instant savings, the hot buys, which, guys, they bring really good deals during those. And Costco can pretty much go up to a maximum of 5 days without any savings opportunities. So before you know it, there's another instant savings kicking in or another hot buys event. Whereas Sam's Club, on the other hand, they have limited savings events. It's just pretty much the instant savings that they have. So because they only have one savings opportunity, Sam's Club pretty much can go up to a whole month without any additional saving opportunities. So that's a major difference right there between Costco and Sam's Club. And last but not least, let's explore the kitchenware. So as you can see here at Sam's Club, they have only one side when it comes to kitchenware, because on the other side there's pretty much socks or clothing. And as you can see on the back side of this part, there's already appliances. So it's pretty much just 2 rows of kitchen appliances, anything from pots and pans to air fryers. You have blenders, you have Tupperware, pretty much a couple of different products here and there here at Sam's Club. But on the flip side of this, then there's Costco. And Costco kitchenware, I will say, it has more variety of products. I also find it to be a little bit more organized. I don't know if it's just me, but as you can see, you can find some really nice martini glasses there. There's water bottles. And guys, keep in mind, there's 2 sections to this, right? There's some pots and pans will be here on this side as well. So you're already seeing here 2 sections, right? This is pretty much kind of like the size at Sam's Club. But if we walk around here, you're going to find that on the other side, they have kitchen appliances. So they actually have more sections when it comes to anything with kitchenware, kitchen appliances. They have tons more different products, and some new products are constantly coming in. They have different air fryers that you won't even find at your local Sam's Club as well. And that is all the updates that I have for today. Remember to turn on your notification button to know when I have uploaded a new video. See you guys next time.